Hello and welcome to SCU Wealth Builder. I want to take you on the inside of our great program. My name is Cashmere Rich, and I'm going to be your host for the next few minutes as I show you how powerful this system is. Right here, we're on the front page. This is what our members sent out. When you're going to join their team, you're going to get this website right here. It's going to have their name up here. Right here, you see the admin's name, but it's going to have your member that sent you this information. Their name will be there. And this is where you register. Down here, it breaks down the system just in case you want to see a little bit more. And down here is where you get registered at. It tells you who your sponsor is. You want to make sure that that is your sponsor, right there. That's me. That's if I was sending my link out to somebody, they would see that. You see the payment processors. That's accepted. You want to put in your information right here, right? Of course, your name, email address, phone number, your desired username, and your desired password. Confirm right here by clicking that that is the right sponsor. And after you do that, it's going to take you on the inside the system. Now, once you're on the inside the system, let's take a look at that. You have a dashboard here. You have your, this is where you click to set up your system for yourself. Put your information in as far as make sure your name, phone number, email address, all your information goes in here. And this is also your profile. Right here's the overview, the dashboard, the training, which is, you're going to see that is amazing, the training section. The promote your link, the downline, this is where you see all your team members, and this is where you confirm their payments when they pay you. And the upgrade, of course, you log out. But right now, we're going to start over here where you put in your information, guys. Right here, you want to make sure that you put in all of your information, your name, username, password, email, and phone number, then update it. That's in the back office. Make sure you're here with me so you know what I'm talking about here. All right, now, when you look at this section here, this is for your payment processors. Right here, you see Bitcoin is one of our top processors because, of course, Bitcoin is doing its thing. You want to put your Bitcoin wallet address there. But down in this section where it says Other, you're able to add multiple different payment processors. You separate them by just simply putting, like you see me, I have my slash right there to separate my Square Cash from my Google Wallet. Then you put in how many ever you want to put there. Make sure you have your information correct. Put a slash in between them to separate them and you don't confuse your members. Now, this is where it gets interesting. After you update your processor, where you see your business link, this program is designed to advertise up to 12 of your current businesses. Let's say, for instance, you got email processing and Viralizer or Bitcoin Matic or whatever. You can drop your link back here. Now, what happens is when a member joins your team, as they're setting up their dashboard, they're forced to watch your offer. That means that you're going to be able to put your offer, your current business, in here and have it seen by many, many other people, guys. Imagine that. They may just say, yeah, I'm joining this one for $5, but I like that $25 one-up. If you notice, look how many hits I've had in a week on this program. That's 93 hits on $25 one-up. So you just simply come down here to add your program. You're going to click Add Link. You're going to see right here I can add link number 8. That's already in. I didn't have to put the 8. It's already there. The only thing I have to put is the title. It may be email processing or whatever. Then I'm going to put the link, and I'm going to click Add Link, and it's going to add to the link to this section right here. So I will then have 8 links. You coming in, you're going to be able to do one link at a time based upon what level you are on. So if you're on level 4, they're going to be able to see 4 of your links. If you're on level 6, 6 of your links, etc. And that is very powerful. Matter of fact, after you put that in, make sure you hit Add Link so it can add it there. Make sure everything is updated here. Make sure your payment processors is in, because you're going to see how important it is when we get over on the dashboard. Make sure that this is the first thing you do when you come in here, guys. Click on that, get all your information in there. Once you do that, click on your dashboard. Now, when you come over to your dashboard, whoa, did it log me out? Let me log back in. Give me 1 second here. Sorry about that. But you see how sensitive the system is. Boy, kick you right out, right? So, now we're on the dashboard. Now, on the dashboard, you're going to see these sections here. Verify your email. When you put in your email information over there on this side, when you click this here to put in that email, over here is going to ask you to verify it. You're going to click it. You're going to verify it. You're going to set up your payment processors, which I showed you on the other page, right? You're going to set up your business links, which I showed you on the other page. That's why it's important to be done all of that, so these will have check marks by it, right? Then you're going to view the training suite. You're going to view your sponsor's first offer, just like they're going to view your offer, right, when they come on. Then you're going to pay the $5 by upgrading to level 1. Then you're going to share this opportunity with your 6 friends and family members or whoever you're bringing in. Now, this is where it gets interesting. Right here in trainings, this is what the people are getting for the money. A lot of people say, well, what are we paying this money for? Let me run through this and show you. Now, first of all, when you pay your $5, you're going to get the website. You get this actual setup here, which is your website. You're going to pay $5 for it, right? You're only going to pay $5 one time over here. Everything else comes out of profit. When you upgrade into the next level, look what you get. Wow. Ebook downloads, reseller certificates. Powerful, guys, for 10 bucks. Look at what you're getting, right? Look at the next level. When you upgrade to your next level, look at what you're getting. Reseller certificate, download the bundle, view the PDF. You got all of that. This is mobile friendly, so you'll be able to do this on the train, you know, traveling in the car, whatever. So now if you look, we have nothing but ebooks available, man, on each one of these levels. Look at there. That's powerful. Wow. Then we go all the way down. Look how many on level number 12. Just multiple good topics, good ebooks for training. You guys are getting that, so you see what you're paying for. This is simply amazing, guys. I've never seen a system as powerful as the one that we've created over here. Now, once you get all of your ebooks, you're going through your stuff as you're, purchasing, you're going to see over here where you have your downline. This is where you look at all of your members, right? If you have somebody that did not pay yet, but they signed up, they're right here in the free. You can always send them an email, right? You see how I got that person's email there? You can send them an email, let them know, hey, I see you over here with us. Come on and let's get out. You know, where you at? I'm ready to get you in, right? And then if you have somebody that paid, you're going to see them over here under pending. You click on pending. When you see them in pending, you click it. You're going to see where receive. Click receive, payment received. That's it. You're done. They're already set. They're ready to go. The reason I didn't click that because I got to check and make sure that that person paid. You always want to check and make sure that the person paid before you confirm it, because after you confirm it, they're gone. It's over with. There's nothing you can do. Okay, so this is where you monitor your downline and your back office and everything. You see, we got level 2. You can go in there and check your members in level 2, confirm them after they pay. Everything is here in the back office for you. Okay, everything is here for you. So I want to welcome you guys to the SCU Wealth Builder. We're over here killing it. For a lot of people, they say, what do SCU mean? That is our Street Cruise United team that's out in Chicago doing a great job. Our SCU Wealth Builder is helping people to create wealth over and over and over again. I just want to welcome everybody, and I thank you for stopping by this brief tutorial, and I will see you on the inside. Take care.